So the last thing we're going to do is we're just going to fix some of these overspills, for example here, and the way we're going to do this is we're going to use this plate finish again, VHT Specialty Products plate finish, and this time we're going to use a sponge, but the really rough bit, because with this we want to put very little, so it just gives an extra sparkle, an extra metallic look. But we're not going to do obviously the whole thing, we're just going to do some cover-ups that we need to do. Perhaps any mistakes, like I painted way too much here, too much black here. So the way I'm going to spray it, I'm going to spray a very little amount on here. Don't want to do a lot here. And just very lightly dab it on to the areas that you think need a bit of cover-up. You can't even see it going on really, that's how light I'm doing it. Might increase the amount a little bit because yeah, nothing's going on really. Basically I just don't want it completely black in these areas, for example. So I'm just gonna keep putting more until I'm happy with how much is being put on. And that's a nice splatter effect. Not too much, I only want it very little bit. So it kind of accentuates the gun splatter wound, like from a shotgun in a way. And I painted my finger. You might want to use gloves. So where we're going. Don't want to do a lot on the edge because I like it black. So very little bit. And that's about it, I think. If you go over the top, it's gonna look too messy, too intertwined with the black and silver. It would look like they were fighting each other. The colours fighting over each other. Don't want that. Yeah, that's a very nice. And a bit more here. Try not too much. Yeah, I'll leave it. I think that's about perfect there. This area needs quite a bit of work. Have a look here. It's very one-toned at the moment. I was going to do the same technique with the paper, but I'm not sure if I want to now, especially now that I've got some silver on it. But I think I should anyway. Let's just see what happens without knocking the camera over. Let me just do that. Okay. That's a very nice splatter. More on the upper side. Let's do that. And that's about it. That's it, no more. Yeah, the paper didn't do much, but I got the effect I wanted. And now, let's just do some of the base of the sword. So do it even more subtle. I'm gonna go on here though, if that needs a bit of cover up. think that's good. I'm gonna go over the top. You don't want to fight it out. You don't want to get the colours fighting over each other, like I mentioned. Maybe there's a little bit too much there still. And like I said, you need to look at it from a distance. Give a good judgment. Oh, I think I'll leave that actually. Yeah, I do want that area more black. Maybe more silver here though. Anyway, I think that's about it. Now the only thing you'll have to do is really just removing and peeling away the masking tape.